You are going to love the 2025 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.